Hi, Tigers. Whether you're an artist or an accountant, a musician or a microbiologist, an entrepreneur or an educator, there's a home for you at Towson University. We may have different stripes, but we are all the same Tigers. That's what makes TU the unique, amazing, and inclusive community we are. On April 26th, our community will come together once again for the 5th annual TU Big Give, a 24-hour campus-wide celebration of giving. Last year, we raised more than $240,000, setting a new TU Big Give record. The more than 1,500 gifts supported key projects, like the TU Student Emergency and Food Insecurity Fund, which provided Tigers with financial relief after years of hardships brought on by the pandemic. Other gifts supported academic programs, athletic teams, student groups, and the TU Fund. With over 1,200 programs and funds to choose from, I'm sure each and every person can find a cause which resonates with your passion to make a difference in our community. This year, I challenge each of you to rise together and break another giving record. Every dollar truly makes a difference, and with your support, we can continue to fuel the incredible work happening on our campus. I'll show my stripes on April 26th. Will you? Join me in supporting TU and our incredible students, faculty, and staff. Go Tigers!